Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. The market has opened. We can see that after the market opening, there was a little bit of a technical correction and market is trying to go up again. So if you're wondering what is the trend of gold now or what is the direction of gold, then yes, for day traders, gold is still very much bullish. And for swing traders, those who prefer to hold positions, then obviously the trend of gold is still not very clear to us. Earlier also we have discussed about the same thing, okay, especially if you have watched our video from Saturday, then you must be knowing that on the daily chart, you can clearly see also on the daily chart, gold is sideways. In the sideways market, there is a resistance and there is a support. So on the daily chart, when gold hits a particular resistance or support, the trend of the market changes. This is the main reason why day traders are so much confused right now regarding the trend of the market. Because, for example, yesterday market was bullish. Today the market's trend will be different. It will be bearish. Why does it happen? Because on the higher time frame, market is stuck in a range. That's why trend of the market changes frequently on the lower time frame. And as long as gold remains like this on daily time frame, things are not going to change. So let's hope for the best. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see dollar rises after sharp drop. The main reason why gold was so bullish, okay, it was because of the sharp drop on dollar on Friday. So we can see that dollar is also trying to go up after the market opening. And this is a chart of dollar. You can see, okay, dollar is also going for a pullback here. But yes, dollar is facing resistance around the previous support around 97.5. If the upside continues, okay, then we may see the market going sideways, but there's a high chance that the pressure on dollar will remain. The earlier candle by candle correlation on DXY and gold doesn't exist, but whenever there is a big move on dollar, we see the direct impact on the chart of gold. So if dollar breaks 97 level, then obviously, okay, gold will have a positive impact and gold will be up. So let's wait and watch. No need to watch DXY candle by candle, okay, because these days, okay, the relation is not very close, okay, but still any big move on dollar will have an impact on gold. Okay. And if you look at the market sentiment of gold, you can see gold drifts lower. Gold dipped to around 3360 per ounce on Monday, following a more than 1% gain in a previous session as the US dollar attempted to recover after a dovish shift by the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Gold edges lower on likely technical correction. So whatever we are witnessing on gold right now, okay, this is just a technical correction. Okay, so again, I'm repeating, the overall trend of the market is still not very clear to us because technically gold is stuck in a range, but for day traders, more or less gold is bullish right now. So let's plan our trades accordingly. So on the chart of gold, we have three support levels as of now. Okay, you can see that, okay, gold after taking support around 3361, okay, it is trying to go up from. If you have a buy, then you can hold your buy position, and if you're looking for a new position, okay, then you can look for support around the levels, okay, that I have drawn here. The first support on the chart of gold is around 3355. This is the first support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position, but keep in mind that this is a minor level. Means in case market drops with heavy volume, this is a level that won't be able to provide support to the market. I will explain, okay, how we have derived these levels. Okay, 3355 is the first level. Second best, not second, or the best level on the chart of gold is around 3352 to 3348. This is the first support or the major support. Okay, major support for the day. Personally, okay, I will be looking for a buy around 52 to 48. So if market drops during the day, okay, and if market continues the technical correction, observe the market. If you see that volume is low, for example, right now you can clearly see that the volume is low, size of the candles are small. If market drops, then around 3355, observe the market. If market takes support, if you see market is forming hammer kind of a pattern, you can hit the buy button. Okay, but if you see the market is from a big red candle 3355, then obviously skip it, because no level is permanent. Never forget. Okay, I am mentioning a level, that doesn't mean that they are permanent. If market takes support, then only we can go for it. Okay, do not be a gambler, be a trader. Okay, don't forget it. 335248 seems to be a major support. So on the 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, when we'll see market is taking support, we can look for a buy position. Then this third support on the chart of gold for the day is around 3344 to 3341. Okay, it is a medium kind of a level. Okay, medium kind of a level. So these are the three support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position for the day. Okay, now let's discuss, okay, how we have derived them. See, for 3355 we have used Fibonacci. Okay, when we are using Fibonacci from the recent high, we can see around 3355 we have the next fib level. The first fib level has more or less done a nice job. The second is around 3355 area, and it is also previous resistance working as support. So in a market condition like this, okay, where there is not much high selling pressure, as a day trader, definitely we can expect a quick bounce of 50 pips. Yes, we are going with 50 pips again. 50 pips TP, 50 pips SL. If market shows further potential, then we can scale for another 50 pips. Okay, but initially 1:1 risk to reward ratio is also good enough for us. So 3355 is the first support, okay, where we can look for a bounce of 50 pips. The second support of 3352, 3348, okay. You can see here also we have FIBO 50% retracement level, and same previous resistance working as support. In comparison, 335248 is a better level, major level, because it's a round number. Okay, it's a psychological support as well. And when we are changing the FIBO, see, I have changed the FIBO. Okay, then we can see here again we have a FIBO support. So 335248 seems to be a better level. Okay, rest time will speak. Okay, but now it seems to be a better level, and we are considering 334441 because same concept, previous resistance working as support, and we have FIBO 50% retracement level around this area. Okay, and when we are changing the FIBO, then also we have some FIBO levels. Okay, 61.8. So these are the three levels where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. Okay, and right now I am not looking for any sell positions, okay, while recording the video at least, because at this moment, okay, market is still very much bullish and the selling pressure is not very high. Okay, in case the trend of the market changes during the day, okay, obviously things will be different. But as of now, while recording the video, it seems that taking a sell can get us trapped. Okay, so I'm not recommending any sell position, but during the day, especially European session, US session, if you see that there's a sudden drop in the market, then we can go for it. Okay, but as of now, it's better and safer for us to look for buy at retracements only. And in case market doesn't go for retracement, अगर नहीं गया नीचे, okay, तब कहाँ जाएगा? Where will it go? Obviously up, isn't it? And on that scenario, we can look for a buy at breakout above 3381. Right now, volume is very low, chances are very less. During the US session, okay, if volume comes, then there is a possibility the market may go up. Okay, but as we always discuss, that there is always a possibility of a false breaker, isn't it? So if market goes up, then observe whether market, okay, has gone for consolidation or not. Consolidation is like your confirmation before a breakout. After consolidation, if market goes for a breakout, then it's a good sign. If market goes for a breakout without consolidation, for example, okay, from here market starts going up from the current level, then there's a high chance that after 30-40 pips market will be tired and it will come down. So okay, if possible, observe the market for some consolidation before a breakout. If market goes up with good volume, then we can look for a buy at breakout above 3381. तब हम ले सकते हैं, अच्छा है. Okay, and if you love to take risk, okay, if you're a risk lover, then also you can look for a buy above 337172. Personally, okay, I'm not sure whether I'm going to take it or not, but if you are a risk lover, daredevil kind of a trader, then you can look for a buy above 7172 as well. Okay, and day traders, okay, market may continuity correction or technical, retracement, whatever you call it. Okay, we can look for buy at dip. Okay, and day trader, swing traders or higher time frame traders, still there is no clarity. Okay, let's wait and watch. If anything crazy happens, I will update in the Telegram community. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.